Have you ever thought that making YouTube videos was too complicated, too technical, or just takes way too much time? Then you're gonna love this video. If you're into AI tools that save time and help you make money online, hit subscribe to the Hunter Hill AI channel right now. And don't forget to turn on the bell, so you never miss what's coming next. And make sure to stick around till the end, because I'll show you a little-known trick that can instantly double your video views. Seriously, don't miss a second. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Visit the AI Videogen website first. Open your browser and go to the Videogen link in the YouTube description. Once the site loads, you'll see a clean, simple interface. This is your AI-powered video creation studio. Step 2. Sign up or log in. In the top right corner, click Sign Up to create an account. If you already have one, just hit Log In. I recommend using your Google account. It's just one click and you're in. Step 3. Enter your video idea. All right, from the dashboard, go ahead and click Create a Video. On the next screen, click Continue to move forward. Now you'll land on a screen that looks like a chat box. This is where you type in what your video is about. For example, you can type Rich Verses, Poor Mindset, 7 Key Differences. Step 4. Choose your video length. Now let's choose how long you want your video to be. You'll see options like 300 or 600 words. But with the free plan, you're currently limited to 150 words. Step 5. Choose your language. This part's actually pretty cool. Videogen supports multiple languages. So if you're creating content for an international audience, you've got options. But for this example, we'll stick with English. After selecting the language, just hit the red button to move on. Step 6. Edit the script. Once Videogen generates your script, take a moment to review it. If something sounds a bit robotic or off, you can easily click and edit it. Feel free to adjust the tone, reword sentences, or add personal touches like, "Hey, don't forget to subscribe." Think of it like adding your own flavor. It makes the video feel more you. Step 7. Pick a voice. Now choose your voiceover. You can go with a male or female voice depending on your audience. For example, a soft female voice often connects well with younger viewers, while a deeper male voice might fit a more serious tone. Try out a few and pick the one that matches your content's vibe. Step 8. Generate your video. Once you're happy with your setup, click Generate Video. Videogen will automatically bring everything together, your script, voiceover, visuals, and animation, like magic. It only takes a few minutes to render your full video. Step 9. Review and download. Before downloading, take a moment to preview your video and make sure everything looks and sounds just right, from the visuals to the voiceover. Once you're happy with it, go ahead and download the final version in HD or 4K, ready to share on YouTube, TikTok, or anywhere your audience is. Don't forget to add a great title, description, and some keywords to help your video get discovered. AI Videogen saves you tons of time. No editing needed, no filming your face. You just focus on great content. Let the AI handle the rest. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't subscribed to Hunter Hill AI yet, do it now, because I've got more awesome AI tools and money-making tips coming your way soon. Drop a comment if you have questions. I always reply to the early ones. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. I'll see you in the next video.